Welcome to Vibranti Node, the creative playground for building powerful workflows, automations, and modular systems, all with the magic of visual nodes. With Vibranti Node, you don't need to write endless lines of code. Instead, you connect colorful nodes on a canvas, designing logic and data flows visually, just like building with digital Lego bricks. Whether you're an artist, developer, or automation enthusiast, Vibranti Node is for anyone who wants to turn ideas into reality, fast. And here's something special. Vibranti Node is powered by AI. In the Node Builder, you can use AI to help create and edit your custom nodes, generating starter code, prompt templates, or example snippets in seconds. Let AI speed up your creative process so you can focus on your ideas. From automating 3D scenes in Houdini or in Maya, to building data pipelines, to crafting your own custom nodes with Python and AI, Vibranti Node gives you the tools to create, experiment, and innovate. Ready to see what's possible? In this series, we'll explore every feature, from the basics to advanced tricks, so you can build your own modular systems and unleash your creativity.